being able to see something that you did from the beginning and seeing how it was messed up and being able to see that you saw it through the end, I feel like that's the most satisfying part. You see some of the wrecks we had, some of these people's faces, face just drop. Their whole day just changed when they see how good their car is. I always liked cars and stuff, but I didn't never think like, okay, I can see myself working on them. And when it was the day to sign up for majors, I narrowed it down to welding, HVAC, and collision. And Mr. Beckham was the first one to show up, and he had all his students there with him and stuff. So I was like, okay, so he really do, you know, he cared about his students and everything. And I was like, well, let's go ahead and see what happens. I'm gonna tell you the truth, man, Trenholm spoiled us. We had some of the best equipment that you can use. You know, Mr. Beckham was real hands-on about stuff. And one thing he didn't do, he didn't allow you to do something, or he never allowed you to get it just all right. You had to make sure if we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it right. You know, not shortcutting, not skipping in steps. And I feel like that really helped, especially coming here. If you want to get out and really be able to make good money and be able to make it generally fast, as well as doing something that's either with your hands, that's really enjoyable, man, I feel like a trade school is just the way to go. You know, most of these technical programs, this stuff you're gonna use for the rest of your life. Like, we always gonna have cars around, so I pretty much always have a job. People ain't gonna learn how to drive perfectly tomorrow, so I feel like it helps as far as job security and as far as, you know, having something that you like to do, something that's nice to do, and just being able to have the peace of mind knowing that if I don't make it here, I'll be able to go somewhere else and maybe even get a job tomorrow if I needed to, because that's how in need it is.